Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through transferring Solana from your Bybit account to your Phantom wallet. So now let's get started. Open your Phantom wallet extension or application. Click on your wallet address at the top to copy it to your clipboard. Now access your Bybit account using your credentials and ensure you have Sol available for withdrawal. Now once logged in, go to the Assets section, select Spot Account, and click on Withdraw. Now in the withdrawal menu, choose Sol from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Paste your Phantom wallet address into the wallet address field. Ensure the chain type is set to Solana. Enter the amount of Sol you wish to transfer. Now double check all the details, including the wallet address and amount. Confirm the transaction and complete any required security verifications. After the transaction is processed, open your Phantom wallet to confirm the receipt of your Sol tokens. And that is how you transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom wallet. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.